The Dow down more than 200 points. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, kicking off the week here Monday, January 25th, 2015. Markets in the day, bearish territory. Spiders off by 1.51%. The diamonds off by 1.3%. The Nasdaq off by 1.5%. Russell's off by 2.2%. Banks off by 3.43%. Financials off by more than 2%. US dollar up a fraction. Crude oil crashing lower, 7.87%. Silver up 1.5%. Gold higher by 1%. And the fear increasing by nearly 5%. And here we are looking at the ETF. Spider on the S&P 500. Thank you, Meerkat, for sitting in for me the last couple of sessions. And I'll show you something here. We had this blue line coming across. We dipped down below it, but buyers came in at these levels. I've tweaked some of these numbers. Pause the video and make these same numbers, make these same levels active on your charts. Then we rallied back higher. Today we had a gap down, and then we just sold off. Last 3 hours of the trading session was brutal, but we closed right at this trend line. I'm going to keep the trend line there. If we do start to drop again tomorrow, which I think that we're going to, if that were to happen, then I'm going to take this blue line and angle it down to this area right here. And that will be more of a true trend line. Right now this has been busted a few times, but because it stalled right at that area of support, I'm going to keep that in place. Quick look here at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq had this drop, bounce, and now it's dropping again. This is a bear pullback that could start to get bullish, or bearish rather. However, what's interesting is volume was very light today. I want to take a look at oil. Oil, while I've been gone, we had this drop, this pop. Right there might have been an entry day for me. It popped up, and I'm glad I'm not in this due to today's drop. So I would have made the difference. I mean, it made a nice chunk before I would have stopped out of that. But it was a short-lived run. It couldn't even get up here to the resistance area. So I'm not seeing any sort of buy opportunity yet. However, if we pull back a little bit, get to this area, and I see buyers come back in, we get a double bottom. Of course, I'm looking to buy that. Silver been saying up on this, and sure enough, we're going higher. Silver, this could be a bottom area for silver here. Gold, take a look at this. I said up down here, and boom, it's gone up ever since, closing near the day's high. I'm getting past a lot of resistance points, so this could certainly be a low down here for gold and silver. So I continue to look for upside potential here on precious metals. There you have it. Catch you guys tomorrow.